everybody! Welcome back to Mab Topics! My goodness, for this episode, nako, special to kasi sa mga mahilig sa hamburger, sa mga burger dyan, beef burgers at kung anong burgers pa. So ngayon, ang episode natin, gagawa ako ng air-fried beef burger patties, okay? Gamit ang Highlands beef burger patties, okay? Yung brand na ito yung gagamitin natin for today. So, even though marami namang brand sa supermarket na makikita ninyo, ang gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo, pwedeng-pwede ang beef burger patty sa air fryer. Gagamitin natin yung ELO air fryer namin. Okay, so itong episode na to, request to ng tita ko kasi mahilig sila sa burger. Pero syempre, masarap magluto ng burger na less ang pagiging greasy, di ba? Parang ni-roast na rin natin kasi ang gamit natin air fryer. Okay, so sana may matutunan kayo for this episode at saka makadagdag sa idea ninyo sa mga gumagawa ng homemade na burger sa bahay. Ito, sana maging helpful, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel para mas marami pa kayo matutunan sa susunod ko mga episode na pangmalakasan. Mwah, 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 mwah. Go, andito ng ating Highlands Gold made with Angus beef patties. 4 pieces to ha, 452 grams, 4 1/4 pounds patties. Expiration date, perfect, 2021. So, umpisa na natin, lutuin na natin siya sa ating air fryer. So, for our ingredients, since may lasa naman na to at timplado na yan from Highlands, pero syempre, gagawin natin mas masarap. Una, we have an olive oil. Ipapahid natin yan back to back. And then we have our parsley, and then black pepper, and then a little bit of salt. Okay? So, ayan, na-marinate na natin ang ating beef patties. Dinagdagan natin siya ng flavor. This time, we're going to use our ELO air fryer. Ito, mas malaki to, jumbo. Go, ready ng ating beef patties. Ilagay na natin siya sa air fryer from ELO. Temperature, let's put it for 200 degrees Celsius and then let's try 10 minutes. Here we go. Tapos na yung first 10 minutes. Let's look. Let's take a look. Wow! OMG! Ang bango-bango. Perfect. Oh my goodness. Ayan, kumukulo-kulo pa yung mga sebo na natanggal na rin at na-drain. OMG! Ang bango. This time, ipi-flip na natin siya. Do it again, another 10 minutes, and final 10 minutes. Same temperature, 200 degrees Celsius, and then another 10 minutes. Let's take a look.
Let me see. Oh Lord.
Oh my
there
God.
There is no grease whatsoever.
Oh
I
my
like
God.
that.
Andito yung tita Cora ko kasi siya, request niya actually to, mahilig sila sa burger kasi yung uncle ko na American, mahilig talaga sila sa burger. So, I introduced them yung healthier way of eating burger patties. Ayan. What can you say, Tita Corza?
It looks so great.
Mm-hmm.
And without the grease.
It's
Unbelievable. Crispy too.
Yup. O, diba? Okay. It's ready. I-prepare na natin siya.